When you're thinking about new construction, you got to be thinking about upgrades. How much of a difference does it make? How much is too much? Today, we're going to be looking at two different houses, same floor plan in the Waterston North community in Gilbert. I'm in the tanager section, and I'm going to be looking at the Calderwood model. I really like this model, but there's two different ones currently built here. They're move-in ready, and there's a little bit of a difference in them in the upgrades. The Calderwood model has a starting price of $736,000. The first home that we're going to see has a decent amount of upgrades at the cost of $113,000 in upgrades. And then the second one we're going to see has $63,000 more in upgrades for a total upgrade cost of $176,000. So we're going to take a look at both of these places and see if you think it's worth the difference. Okay, here we are at the Calderwood number one. The outside. Got some wood, some stucco, some stonework, blue door, window right here to the game room, which you'll see as soon as we come in. There's the entryway. Got ceramic tile that's like a wood plank look. Kind of like a grayish, beigeish paint. Nice wide baseboards. And here we've got a double door into what they're calling the game room. And this is like a shared space right here, main space between two bedrooms. So I'm thinking if you had kids that like to play video games like mine do, you're setting them up over in this area of the house. A bedroom on each side of the game room. So this has got carpet in it. And this is we've got white doors, single panel, black handles. Get a good look at the bathroom. Looks like a cultured marble. White with black handles again. Everything's white and black in here. And then the other bedroom is the same as the one that we just saw pretty much. Well, the closet is different. So actually it is not the same. It is a little different and it feels like it could be a tiny bit smaller. I could be wrong, but it felt like that. And then heading down here, we've got a closet, another bathroom, just a half bath. Here's the main living area. Got can lights up here, a lot of windows, nice kitchen. It's got a double oven. Microwave here, pantry, little coffee nook maybe, fridge not in yet. I love this herringbone pattern, this gray tile work they have. Nice gas stove, range and range hood. And all right. Dining room area. Not much of a yard right now. Got a mountain view right now. I don't know if you can see that very well. The school, that's actually Rice Elementary School, right there. You can hear the kids playing. I can see the basketball court there. So you are backed right up to the elementary school here. For better or worse, that's what's happening. So if your kids go there, you probably love it. They can just jump over the wall and come home. All right, here's the master bedroom. Let's see what upgrades they have in the bathroom. All right, nice huge shower with windows, like this big rain shower, in addition to the other head there. Controllers on the wall. And we've got pretty much the same thing in this bathroom as the others. Maybe this is slightly different color actually. Countertop. Just a toilet closet and good size. Nice size closet. All right, there's still another area. We've seen the master bedroom, 2 other bedrooms, a game room, and now coming over here, we're gonna see there's a den and the laundry room. So we'll do laundry room. It does have a sink here. That's a nice feature. Some cabinets. And then there's no door. This is a true den office area. And that will complete the tour. Okay, so that's the upgrades and finishes on the first Calderwood. This one is coming in at $849,000. So we'll take a look at the second one and see if you think it's worth the extra $60K. Okay, here we are at Calderwood number 2. I can see a difference in the elevation for sure. This is different. It's got like a shutter look on the windows. That light up there is different. The garage door has windows on it and the other one didn't. This stonework looks a little different, still the same, similar like the flagstone look here. Door white instead of blue. Okay, this one is not as cleaned up and ready as the other one was, and the electricity's not on. So I think we'll still get a pretty good look at the difference. The flooring looks pretty much the same. Walls and baseboards also same. Coming in, first thing I notice is that the game room doesn't have a door on it. This is just open. The other one had like a double door on it, if you remember. And the carpet might be more gray. I believe the other one was a little more tan. I have a walk-in closet here in this one. And then the other one, we'll see how that other bedroom is. Yeah, I do feel like this one is bigger, and it just has the regular closet there. All right, check out this bathroom. It's pretty similar. It's not black, it's silver. I believe it's the same countertop though. It's kind of like a marble look. And I do notice the shower is upgraded compared to the other one. It was just a basic one-piece like shower enclosure, and this has tile work in it. So it has a little place to put your stuff right there. So yeah, I would say the shower is a little more upgraded in this bathroom. We're missing the doors. Depends what you like, whether that's a pro or a con. All right, this, come in here real quick, but it's pretty dark. But this is very similar to the other bathroom. All right, here, this is different. There were windows, and here we have these huge sliding doors here instead of windows, so that's a little bit more expensive. The kitchen, looks like we're not quite done painting, but you can get an idea. Same double oven, same design, silver and white. Countertops appear to be the same. They've got a different backsplash going, different color and pattern, but still nice. Still the gas range. It seems pretty similar. So some differences. Now I haven't looked to see what like if there's anything that you don't see behind the scenes that's upgraded. There could be some other things there too. Extra outlets or things like that. But I'm not seeing a ton of differences, to be honest. Here's the master bedroom. And I did notice this has a door to the master bathroom. The other one didn't have a door. And it might have been a little wider to walk through as well. But pretty similar. I do remember the countertop was a little different in the other one. Probably not as upgraded. This countertop is probably more expensive, but it still has a huge shower. It's a little different. but very similar. And yeah, this is all the same. Closet, bathroom. All right, is there anything else? Oh, the den. We gotta check the den. That'll be over here. So we have the laundry room too. Let's see how the laundry room looks. Cabinets and a sink. Maybe a different countertop, but still the elements are there. And then, oh, we have a glass door here. There was no door at all on the den in the other one. So that's an upgrade, I'm sure, too. All right. So there's Calderwood number 2 for you. $63,000 more in upgrades between the first one and the second one. Let me know what you think. Which one did you like better? Did you think it was worth the $63,000 more for the house here than the other one? Personally, I like the first one better, but to each his own. So let me know what you think. And if there's any questions you have about this model, there's other models in this development as well. I'm happy to answer any questions and show you around when you're ready to take a tour. Just reach out. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one.